Imagine you are cruising down the highway and suddenly a faint chime on your dash lights up. It's your Lincoln key fob informing you about a low battery condition. Let me show you how easy it is to change the battery. Welcome to MG Factor. To replace the battery, you will need obviously your key fob. You will need a 2450 lithium 3-volt battery, which you can order from Amazon or from any of your local hardware store. I will leave a description. Then you will need a flathead screwdriver. First thing you need to do is to locate this small switch here, press it and take out your emergency key. Now as you see, there are two different indents. So try pushing one on the other side of the key fob and gently lift it, and this will open up the cover. I realize that you don't need a flathead screwdriver. Maybe a smaller one will work. I will show you why. Now as you see here in the key fob, there is a plus sign which is on the top. So just remember the position, and then you have two locks. Just beneath the lock you will see a small hole. Just put your screwdriver and the battery will pop up. Don't trash your old battery. Dispose it responsibly. Now take your new 2450 battery and locate your plus sign. Align it with the plus sign on your key fob, which is on the top. Put one side and press it gently, and it will snap on two locks. Put the cover back on. Press it, you will hear a click sound. Put your key fob back in, and you are good to go. Now let's go to the car, turn on the ignition, and you will see there is no warning anymore. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, stay safe and stay healthy.